make $500 and above as a graphic designer in Nigeria. What's going on, guys? My name is Francis Abogonye. I mostly do entrepreneurship videos, how to make money online, and share my experiences with you guys on this channel. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and take that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I put them out. Content such as this one. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down. Also, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box below. You can check out some of the cool resources there. Click the link and make some purchase if you want, or gain value from those links I'm going to be keeping in the description box. A little bit of disclosure here, some of those links are affiliate links. I get a commission from some of those sales. You can use that to support my channel and to support my growth here. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys the strategy on how to make money like $500 and above in Nigeria as a graphic designer. Let's go. Now, welcome back, guys. The first things first is the first strategy I'm going to be talking about here is client work. A lot of people will be saying, yeah, client work, they're tired of clients are frustrating and all that. Yes, some people love doing client work on the side as well to make that extra income or that extra buck. People want to make money and clients have jobs they need people to execute. So as a graphic designer, you might be willing to do client work as well. Now, the first place you should be looking at doing client work is freelance site. If you complain about client not paying you well, you can sign up for a freelance site because they have policies, rules, and regulations that can protect you, protect your money, and protect the hours you work or you put in the work. So you don't have to be working for clients that are paying in the last word. Then for this freelance site, you can sign up for freelance sites such as Fiverr, Upwork.com, or Freelancer.com. Those are the sites I recommend you sign up for and bid for jobs. Like on Upwork, you're going to be spending hours and hours bidding for a particular jobs, attending interviews and all that. Like a friend of mine that is on Upwork bidding for jobs. That is what he does on Upwork, and he tends to range between $500 and above in a month, just as a graphic designer or just doing client work. Another idea to do client work is to set up your own website. If you have the time and the technical skills to do that, you can set up your own website, and put your portfolio pages on it and put your jobs you've done before in the past, the clients you have worked for, some of the testimonials you have, some of your job samples. You can put them on your website and try to rank on Google. Maybe you are in Abuja, you can try to rank as the best graphic designer in Abuja, or you're in Lagos, you can tend to rank as graphic designer in Lagos, or you're in Port Harcourt, you can do the same thing. Wherever you are in Nigeria, you can try your best to rank as the best graphic designer or one of the graphic designers in that city. And also you can sign up for directories such as VConnect and put in your details, your contact info and all that, so you can be identified as a graphic designer as well. People can contact you through that medium. It also helps to boost SEO. If you don't like the idea of making your own website, you can pick a social media network that you have that best appeals to you. You can pick one, like some people I know tend to do Instagram. They're very good on Instagram, while some pick YouTube. The ones that pick YouTube mostly do graphic tutorials on YouTube, while the ones on Instagram do their jobs and post them on Instagram. Like I like Jimage a lot. I like his work on Instagram, and as well I like Kizimoto. I like what they're doing on Instagram. They're very, very good graphic designers. I love their work a lot. So you can build your presence on a social media platform that best appeals to you, or the one that you're good with, and grow your following from there and gain your audience from there. You're going to make sure you put the right details on your description box, your contact info and all that. Then whenever clients contact you, also make sure you have a PDF portfolio ready that you can send to this client via email or via WhatsApp. The last but not the least in getting client work is pitching local clients. You might want to be ready to pitch local clients to get more jobs. You can walk into a particular organization. Like I myself, sometime back, I used to go to Wuse2. There are so many organizations in Wuse2. Then I'll request to have a meeting with a particular owner of a particular business. Then I'll pitch to them about my business, about what I do. I'm a graphic designer. I would love to be doing some of your graphic design jobs and some of your social media designs that you like to post on your social media pages. So I tend to get some of this job, and also some of them intends to give me printing job on the side as well. I make some money just doing printing and graphic design at the same time. So you see, it's a win-win for me. Now the number 2 idea I'm going to be giving you right here is creating and selling. You're going to be creating graphic design products product is what you're going to be creating. This is going to help you create a little bit of like passive income. Let me just say, you can do the work upfront, then get paid over time, over and over and over for the work you've done before. You know, depending on your skills in marketing and all that, you're going to be doing little work. The money may not be completely passive, but you're going to be doing a little work, maybe getting traffic to your sales page or to your to those products you already have. Now, the first product I'm going to be talking about for you to create in terms of creating and selling is you can create t-shirts, mugs, and sweatshirts. You can make graphic designs for t-shirts, you know, and put them on shirts. I don't know, there are so many cool shirts out there. You can take a look at some sample I'm going to be leaving here. You can create stuffs like this and sell them on Etsy, or you can create a Teespring account and sell it on Teespring. Teespring is a cool platform, it's actually free. You can sign up today. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box below. As well, you can sign up for Shopify.com. Shopify has a 14-day trial. You can start up your own e-commerce store and do print on demand. You know, on Shopify, you can also sign up with Printful. Printful is a platform that helps you do print on demand. You know, connect your Shopify store with Printful, and you can make this shirt. Whenever somebody orders this particular product, your graphic design shirt, the designs you've done on your t-shirt or on your sweatshirt or your tank tops or on your mug, Printful do the design for you and ship it to that customer. You know, that is how you can make money from that one. Another idea in terms of creating and selling is, I know some people that are very good with photo manipulation. So if you're good with photo manipulation, you can create your own photo manipulation photos and frame them very pretty. Make sure they're looking very expensive and good. You can sell them for like 20, 30, 50k or 100k, or in art exhibitions or in art gallery. You can put them on any art gallery at all that people go to, or you can sell them on art fairs. You know, some people used to do this and they make money from it. Also, you can sell this art product on Etsy as well. Etsy is a platform where they sell art products. You are an artist as a graphic designer, don't forget that. Another idea in terms of creating and selling is to license your work to stock sites. Stock sites such as Shutterstock or Envato Marketplace. You can license your patterns, your illustrations, your layout, and some other of your templates. So whenever somebody purchases your work on this stock website, the money is being split into two between you and the stock website you license your work to. Another idea in terms of creating and selling is creating digital downloads. You might want to create things like ebook, where you sell on Amazon Kindle. As a graphic designer, you can create graphic design books. Also, you can create a course, a graphic design course, where you teach people how to do graphic design. As long as you're good with graphic design, you can teach people basics of graphics. You can use platforms such as Udemy. You can use platforms such as teachable.com, or you can use Kajabi to create your own course. Or maybe you can make these courses and put them on Skillshare, where they pay you a particular percentage depending on how people view your videos on Skillshare. You know, that is a great way to do creating and selling. You can design your own font and sell online and buy software such as Font Lab Studio, or you can buy RoboFont, or you can buy Glimp. This costs between $200 to $700. That is for those that have the money to spend to make their own font and sell the fonts online. Now, the thing I love about this creating digital downloads is that you will never run out of stock. They are always there. People download your ebooks. There will always be another copy for another person all the time. Your courses are there, or your fonts are there as well. People just download the things you've already created. You know, that is one good part I love about creating and selling. The last but not the least is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one great way I use to monetize my business as well. Affiliate marketing is just selling other people's products for a commission, depending on the platform. Now, some graphic designers use tools such as this graphic touch pad, where they use as in replacement of their mouse, and while others uses this pen display monitor, which they mostly sell on Amazon. You can review some of these tools you use on your page or on your YouTube channel. Maybe you're doing tutorials. You can review some of them and make money as an affiliate for Amazon, you know. And also, maybe you can review computers, the type of computer you use, the spec that you recommend for other graphic designers to use, and put a link for them to purchase that, which you get a commission from. You can sign up for Envato Marketplace, where they give you 30% if you refer people to buy graphic resources. There are so many marketplaces in the Envato market, such as graphicriver.net, Team Forest, or Audio Jungle, and so many others. If you refer anybody to the Envato market, you get paid 30% on every purchase they make on the Envato market. So that's a great way to make money with affiliate marketing. Now that brings me to the end of this video, guys. If you have any ideas or any strategy you're implementing in your business right now, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to see what you guys think about this video. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up to help it perform very well on YouTube. To tell the YouTube algorithm that people want to see content such as this. So give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it a lot, and share this video with your friends, which you're giving value to those cool and awesome friends of yours. I mostly do videos such as this, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and tick that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. So until next time, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.